Today I'm going to teach you how to use trending audio on your Instagram post. Let's just say you're scrolling on Instagram and you find a post that has the audio that you really like. You can hit on the audio section on top of the post, and then you can hit save on the top. Once you're done, you can hit over to create post. Once you have selected your photo, you can hit next. If you don't want any filters or editing, you can hit next. On here, you can use your saved audio by tapping Add Music. Of course, you can choose the music you want here. They're for you and browse any video you want. But for the purpose of this video, we're gonna hit Saved button. And here you can see the audio that you just saved from other people's post. And then click on the audio that you want to use for your post. On here, you can select the time duration of your audio, or you can select what part of the audio that you want to be played on your video. Once you're done, you can hit done. You can write something to describe your post. You can tag people if you want to. Once it's finished, you can hit share. That's it for the video. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.